Be a breath of fresh air to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Today's idiom for supersize your business is to a breath of fresh air. Breath of fresh air has been around since the 18th century. It actually comes out of the Industrial Revolution when activists and revolutionists, they were called back then, fought hard to eliminate the causes of air pollution. And they talked a lot about how many workers worked in environments. Well, in the beginning, everybody was out in the fields when we were an agricultural nation, and they worked out in the open air, the fresh air, and they had good air quality and things. But then as they moved into offices first and clean air, well ventilated places, from there to more dark, they called it dark working zones, dark black working zones that were full of pollution and bad air quality. Leaving those dark zones was considered to be a breath of fresh air because the air was a lot fresher. For some reason, coal miners coming out of the mines all dust covered and dirty, and canaries pops into my mind whenever I hear this particular idiom or expression. I think I've definitely used this, but not a lot throughout my lifetime. We use it to describe somebody or something that is new and different and a fresh approach, a different approach to doing things. So to me, this has a lot to do with growing and building and supersizing our business, standing out in our industry, standing out in our world, not to just compete, but to serve the people that we're here to serve to the best of our ability. So my question for you today is, how is your business, your company, the business you're supersizing, a breath of fresh air, at least to the people that you serve? Are you finding a way to understand them better, to serve them better than other people do, to really let them know that you're on their side and you're here to help them solve their problems and achieve the things that they want in their life? Because that's one of the quickest, easiest ways to help us grow and supersize our business. The more people we help, the more people help us build our business. So have an awesome day. Love to know your take on this particular idiom, a breath of fresh air. Are you a breath of fresh air in your organization? That's one of the best ways we can be a breath of fresh air, is to bring the energy and enthusiasm and passion to the business that we want other people to bring as well. It's called setting a good example and leading. All right, have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye.